Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to change your Wix template. So it's really simple. So here we are in support of Wix.com and it's going to show us how to do it really simply. So first you're going to have to first choose your template. So you can go through their editor templates or you can go to their studio editor template. So there are two different places you can look for templates. So once you have suggested or looked for a proper theme for your own Wix website, all you have to do is go to step 2, copying the elements from the page from the old site basically. So you can copy elements from an editor site or from a studio editor site. There's going to be two different types right here. So you can copy the elements from your editor site if you're using one. So you can copy specific elements from your old site and then paste them to the new ones if you want a actual copy of it, just a different template. So copy and paste the elements pages to a new site by just let's actually check it out so that we don't get confused here. Open link in a new tab right there. So basically right here we go right here and edit, and then we are going to be copying elements right here. So first is pressing the copy element and then pasting it basically in the new template that we want, and it's just that simple as you can see right here. So let's move on right there. So you go to my designs and then import your media from the old site, of course, if you want to import such into your new template. Next is transferring additional features. So here we can do business emails, send plans and features, and the blog. So what can't you transfer is basically site themes, designs, and layouts. You will have to do that manually right there. So there's also premium apps, contacts, site members, Wix inbox, messages, invoice starts, videos, bookings. You will have to do that all manually, copy and pasting that. So you can transfer your plan and domain if you want to. So domain actions and then assign to a different site, and then basically it will import it to the selected plan or actual template that you have selected right here from the first step that you did. And it's just that simple. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.